The Husqvarna Aspire R4 Automower is a compact robotic mower that will keep your lawns looking great all year round without you having to lift a finger. And when it does come time to change the blades, don't panic. It is super easy and very simple. It's a very quick changeover. All you'll need are the gloves, a screwdriver, and the new blades. This is my R4 and I've had this going for a couple of months at my place now. And don't worry, this is all designed to take a couple of those scuffs and bumps as it's working way around your lawns. The first thing I like to do to protect it from further scratches though, of course, is to put something soft down on the table like a towel or a mat, just to prevent any further damage to the cover. So first of all, we need to make sure that the mower is turned off on the main switch here. So when you've done that, simply turn the mower upside down and you can see all of the parts there. So you can see that the blades are attached to the spinning disc here, and they're just simply attached in and fixed with a screw that you can undo with a Phillips head screwdriver. And it's this part that spins around and nibbles the tips off your grass. So I mean, you can really see that this is not going to be a complex task today, so I'll talk you through how to do it. I like to pinch the disc just with my hand there, just to stop it from spinning as you're trying to undo a blade. And then we literally just loosen the screw like this. So you can see that these blades are definitely in need of being replaced. So they've dulled, they've got a couple of nicks and dents in them, and you will definitely benefit from changing these blades. It's a really good idea to change all of the blades at the same time. Don't just replace one. So you will need to just dispose of those blades and the old screw. So never put the old screw back onto a new blade. At this point, I generally like to give my R4 a bit of a brush down with a brush that comes with the maintenance kit here, and just getting rid of all the old debris, giving it a good clean. And now it's time to replace all three blades with a brand new Husqvarna brand blade and screw. So pretty simple. So you just get your blade out of the little packet. I like to use a screwdriver that has a magnetic head. It is a little lifesaver. Stops you from dropping those screws. Essentially now we're just going to line up the blade with the screw hole and then just hand tighten these screws. So once again on the spinning disc here, we just line up the little slot over the screw hole, and then we hand tighten. Now you don't ever want to use a power tool for this. It just needs to be hand tight and done tight enough so that the blade can actually still pivot. So you can see there it's sort of stopped, and I'm not going to force it much further. So I would definitely recommend changing the blades every 4 to 7 weeks on your auto mower. And every couple of weeks, just lifting the unit upside down, have a bit of a look and check on the quality of those blades. It will vary season to season depending on how much life you get out of those blades. It is really important to keep your automower in good condition. Every now and then, I like to give it a bit of a clean, and you can just use a nice cloth and a bit of the Husqvarna Care and Shine to spray on top here, and that will just keep it looking nice.